Ubuntu 25.04 Plucky Puffin delivers a wealth of enhancements from the under-the-hood improvements of Linux 6.14 and GNOME 48 with group notifications, HDR support, preserve battery health mode, and a new Papers document viewer. To users facing features like built-in digital wellbeing controls and a more capable installer, making it an excellent desktop release to experience today. Released April 17th, 2025. Number 1. Check for updates. Keeping your system current is critical. The Ubuntu Installer ISO is a snapshot frozen at release, so patches, bug fixes, and security updates accumulate quickly. First, launch Software Updater. Let it refresh and install any available updates. Or in a terminal, run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to fetch and apply updates via command line. Number 2. Configure the Ubuntu Dock. Ubuntu's Dock, a dash to dock extension, is highly customizable. Move it to the bottom or right, auto-hide it, adjust icon size, disable panel mode, and even hide unmounted volumes. Open Settings, go to Ubuntu Desktop, then Dock. For advanced tweaks, auto-hide thresholds, custom click actions like minimize on click, opacity, etc. Install Extension Manager, which is sudo apt install gnome-shell-extension-manager, and click the cog icon next to the Ubuntu Dock. To enable minimize on click without extra tools, G settings set arch.gnome.shell.extensions.dash-to-dock. Click action minimize. I'm going to provide every command in the subtitles. Number 3. Show battery percentage on top panel. Seeing battery percentage at a glance helps avoid sudden shutdowns, especially on laptops. Go to the settings, then power, then battery. Toggle show battery percentage. To enable the new preserve battery health mode, visit settings, then power saving. Number 4. Get cozy with nightlight. Nightlight reduces blue light emission in the evening, which may help the eye comfort and sleep patterns by shifting your display to warmer tones on a schedule. First, navigate to Settings, then Screen Display, then Nightlight. Toggle it on and adjust schedule and temperature. Quickly enable or disable via the Quick Settings menu. Number 5. Enable Fractional Scaling. On high dpi displays, fractional scaling 125%, 150%, 175%, and 225% offers a middle ground between 100% and 200% UI scaling. First, open Settings, then go to the Displays, then switch on Fractional Scaling and pick the value that looks just right. Number 6. Set up wellbeing reminders. Ubuntu 25.04's new wellbeing panel helps you monitor and manage screen time right out of the box. First, go to the settings. Then, wellbeing shows your daily usage chart. Configure daily screen limits with optional grayscale lock and break reminders to prompt you to stretch or rest. Number 7. Speed up overview search. If GNOME's activity overview lags on older hardware, narrow search scopes to bypass seldom used categories like characters, fonts, or emoji. First, go to Settings, then Search. Disable characters and other low-use sources to streamline results. Number 8. Personalize your desktop. Make Ubuntu truly yours with wallpapers and accent colors. Install extra backgrounds by using the command sudo apt install GNOME backgrounds, or grab community-sourced images from Unsplash and use a wallpaper changer app to keep things fresh. Number 9. Tame Mozilla Firefox. Firefox is Ubuntu's default browser. but its privacy eroding features can be disabled for a cleaner experience. In About Preferences, turn off sponsored content, search suggestions, and tracking options. Consider using privacy-focused extensions or Firefox built-in total cookie protection. Number 10. Explore GNOME extensions. GNOME shell extensions unlock countless tweaks, which is window tiling, clipboard managers, weather indicators, alternative app menu, and more. Install extension managers using the command sudo apt install gnome-shell-extension-manager. Browse, install, and configure extensions from within the app or via extensions.gnome.org. Number 11. Install essential software. Ubuntu's minimal default install leaves room to add tools you love. Recommended packages: Ubuntu repos, which is GIMP, VLC, Blender, Audacity, LibreOffice. Snap Store, Spotify, OnlyOffice, Steam, Code, which is VS Code, and Chromium. FlatHub via Flatpak, Discord, Pinta, Vision Center, etc. Wrapping up, these post-install steps ensure Ubuntu 25.04 feels fast, polished, and tailored to your workflow. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out.